What if I told you the world's most advanced chef doesn't eat, sleep, or even blink? It never forgets an ingredient, never overcooks a meal, and never ever complains. This isn't the future, it's happening now. Welcome to the world's first restaurant, run entirely by artificial intelligence. Imagine walking into a restaurant where there's no human chef, no sous chef, no drama in the kitchen, just a robotic system, slicing vegetables with surgical precision and sautéing gourmet dishes with code. These robot chefs have scanned thousands of cookbooks, watched millions of cooking videos, and learned techniques that top chefs take decades to master. They can cook the perfect steak, boil pasta to perfection, and even plate your food like it belongs in a Michelin-starred restaurant. And here's the wild part. They do it faster, cleaner, and more consistently than any human could. This AI doesn't just follow recipes, it understands taste. It adapts. It learns what customers love and changes the menu on its own. Is this the end of human chefs, or the start of a whole new era in food? In this video, we'll reveal how this robotic kitchen was built, the insane tech that powers it, and what this means for the future of cooking, jobs, and the restaurant industry. Stay with us, because by the end, you'll see why this AI chef might just replace Gordon Ramsay.
Picture this. It's the dinner rush in a high-end restaurant kitchen. Clanging pans, sizzling oil, chefs shouting orders. It's chaos, but it's also art. Now, imagine another kitchen at the same time. No shouts, no clatter, just the soft whir of robotic arms gliding above the counters. These machines chop, sear, and plate with flawless precision, never breaking a sweat. This isn't science fiction. It's the dawn of the AI chef, quietly redefining what a kitchen can be. The traditional kitchen thrives on instinct and passion, where mistakes can lead to new discoveries. The robotic kitchen is all about precision, consistency, and data, algorithms and sensors guiding every move. This isn't just a new gadget, it's a fundamental shift in how food is prepared. We're moving from a craft honed by human senses to a science of reproducible perfection. Is one better than the other? That's the big question. But first, let's see how these new culinary creators are already changing the food world. The kitchen is getting a major upgrade, and the main ingredient is artificial intelligence. So, what is an AI chef? Forget the clunky robots of old movies. Today's AI chefs are far more advanced. An AI chef isn't just a machine following steps. It perceives, decides, and learns, much like a human apprentice, but with more processing power. There are three main parts: the hardware, robotic arms and tools, the sensors, cameras, thermal and weight sensors, and the AI software, the brain. Sensors feed real-time data to the AI, letting it see, touch, and measure with superhuman accuracy. The software interprets this data, adjusting techniques on the fly, like monitoring onions as they saute and tweaking the heat for perfect results. It learns from every batch, improving over time through machine learning. If fries come out undercooked, it adjusts next time. It can even learn new recipes by watching a human chef. Every movement, measurement, and temperature change is recorded, creating a digital blueprint for endless replication. It's a tireless student with a perfect memory, always striving for culinary perfection. That's what sets an AI chef apart from a simple food-making machine. Let's meet some real-world AI chefs. First, Moli Robotics, a fully automated kitchen with robotic arms that can crack eggs, whisk sauces, and plate dishes, learning by recording human chefs in 3D. Then there's Flippy from Miso Robotics, a burger-flipping robot that uses cameras and thermal imaging to master the grill and fry station, improving safety and efficiency. Flippy can handle about 60 baskets of fried food per hour, working alongside humans. And Creator, a now-closed San Francisco restaurant, was a 14-foot-long burger-making machine, slicing buns, grinding beef, and assembling burgers without human hands. Each system takes a different approach. Moli brings gourmet skills to home kitchens, Flippy specializes in fast food, and Creator reimagined the burger assembly line. Together, they show the versatility of AI in the kitchen, from complex dishes to perfecting the humble hamburger. These pioneers are blazing a trail for a future with less sweat and more silicon. The kitchen is evolving, one robot at a time. How does a robot know how to cook? It's all about sophisticated hardware and even smarter software. AI chefs use high-def cameras and 3D scanners to identify ingredients, measure them, and track their own movements. This is computer vision. Once ingredients are in place, the robot processes them with perfect precision, dicing and slicing exactly as needed. The AI's software contains a vast library of techniques, choosing the right one for each task and executing it flawlessly. Force feedback sensors let the arms feel resistance, so they know how much pressure to use on different foods. Cooking is a game of temperature and timing. AI chefs use thermal sensors for exact heat control and monitor food as it cooks, comparing it to thousands of images for doneness. This feedback loop, sensing, processing, acting, makes AI cooking incredibly consistent. Some systems even clean up after themselves, loading dishwashers and wiping counters. The kitchen is mapped in 3D, so everything goes back in its place. With every cycle, the AI refines its process, learning more efficient ways to prep and cook. The result? A self-optimizing kitchen, always improving. Bringing AI into the kitchen changes everything, especially the numbers. Consistency is a huge win. An AI chef never has an off day. 5 grams of salt means exactly 5 grams every time. This precision slashes food waste. Robots use only what's needed, cut more efficiently, and minimize scraps. In restaurants, food waste can reach 10%. AI chefs tackle this head-on. In fast food, robots like Flippy boost output and safety, monitoring multiple stations at once and never needing a break. Flippy can increase production by up to 30%, and its sensors ensure food is always cooked safely. AI kitchens generate valuable data, tracking inventory, popular dishes, and energy use, making operations more efficient and sustainable. This data-driven approach turns kitchen management into an exact science. The result? Better food, less waste, and smarter business. AI is transforming kitchens from guesswork to precision. The ultimate showdown: human chef versus AI chef. AI wins on consistency, hygiene, and memory. It can replicate recipes perfectly, never tires, and never forgets a step. For chains and fast food, this is a game changer. Your favorite burger tastes the same everywhere. AI is also a master of safety, with sterile processes and no risk of human error. But when it comes to creativity, humans still reign. A human chef improvises, adapts, and invents new dishes on the fly, something AI struggles with unless specifically programmed. Cooking is art as much as science. Humans cook with passion, intuition, and emotion, qualities machines can't replicate. A great dish tells a story, reflects culture, and creates a connection between cook and diner. Can a robot taste and adjust a sauce? Can it feel the joy of delighting a guest? Not yet. AI is the master of science, but humans remain the masters of art. The best kitchens may blend both: precision from machines, soul from people. The future is collaboration, not competition. The rise of AI chefs is sparking debate among chefs and diners alike. Many chefs see robots as helpful tools, handling repetitive tasks so they can focus on creativity and presentation. Some are excited by the precision AI brings. Imagine perfect sous vide every time. Renowned chefs like Daniel Boulud see tech as a way to enhance consistency and push culinary boundaries. But there's skepticism too. Some worry automation will devalue the craft and lead to soulless kitchens. Job loss is a real concern, as is the fear that food will lose its personal touch. Diners are divided. Younger people are curious, older ones more hesitant. For special occasions, most still prefer a human chef, believing that love and care can't be programmed. Trust and the human element remain central to the dining experience. Will AI replace all chefs? Almost certainly not. The future is about collaboration, AI and humans working together, each playing to their strengths. AI excels at repetitive, precise tasks, perfect for fast food, catering, and meal kits. In these settings, robots boost consistency and efficiency, freeing up humans for more creative work. Fine dining and neighborhood bistros thrive on creativity and personal touch, roles only humans can fill. A head chef's job is about inventing dishes, sourcing ingredients, mentoring, and creating atmosphere. The future kitchen chefs as creative directors, AI as tireless sous chefs handling prep and precision. This partnership lets humans focus on artistry and flavor, while AI handles the grunt work. The heart and soul of the kitchen remain human. We've traveled from chaotic kitchens to the quiet hum of AI, met robotic pioneers, and weighed the pros and cons. Robots offer precision and efficiency, but lack the creative spark and emotional heart of a human chef. The future isn't a robot takeover, it's collaboration. For a quick lunch, a robot-made meal might be perfect. But for special moments, many crave the human touch. There's something intangible in food made by human hands, a sense of care and community. So would you let a robot cook your dinner? Would you trust a machine with your most meaningful meals? The AI chefs are ready to take your order. The real question is, are you ready to eat?